Howdy, class! Tonight we're gonna draw Mr. Krabby Cat from Yokai Watch. You guys all remember him from the Yokai Watch TV series? Mr. Krabby Cat is a Yokai Watch teacher. He had his first appearance in season 2, and he has a big encouragement for his students to get in ship shape and be at top level. He has this he has a special stick that he uses to help his students stay focused. Alright, here's his upper half. Here's his batting stick. Here's his tails. Get this, he has this... Never mind, I lost it, what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, here's something. Known fact about Mr. Krabby Cat? He's got hair. Oh yeah, and in the Yokai Watch game, he can train your special character, or at least your Originion design. Man, I've really got to show you that one of these days. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw Mr. Krabby Cat. He often chats with the other teachers. And he looks just like... Well, you already get the idea. Anyhow, I better get off and I have an assignment to finish up, and it involves the biggest master design I've ever created as an assignment for Mr. Krabby Cat. Anyhow, that's how you draw him. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel. That's how you draw Mr. Krabby Cat. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel. Let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. And I will end this with one of his best catchphrases.
Good morning, class. Good morning, Mr. Krabby Cat. Who's ready to learn?